Akash uses Imprint's automated attendance management feature. He logs his work hours digitally, ensuring punctuality and accountability.
Akash excels at managing client visits and leads data. With the Imprint app, he schedules, tracks, and optimizes every client interaction effortlessly. Akash makes data-driven decisions. Imprint's analytics provide him with insights into performance metrics and market trends, helping him focus on the most promising opportunities. No more paperwork hassles for Akash. He completes and submits forms digitally, quickly, and accurately. He plans tasks and routes efficiently. Akash prioritizes his work, meets deadlines, and stays organized with Imprint's beat planning feature. Akash converts physical documents into digital format, keeping everything tidy and accessible. Akash connects with clients and team members virtually, maintaining strong relationships from anywhere.